Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change profile picture on Bigo Live. So if you also want to change profile picture on Bigo Live, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bigo Live application. You can see over here, Bigo Live application is opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. At bottom right corner, you'll be able to find the option for me. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see your name. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to your profile. At top right corner, you'll be able to see the edit icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to edit your profile. At first, you'll be able to find the option for photo. In order to change your profile picture, what you have to do is tap on the first photo that you have uploaded. Now at bottom, these kind of options will appear. You can see the option choose from album. You can also see the option take a photo. If you want to choose from album, simply tap on the option choose from album. If you want to take a photo, simply tap on the option take a photo. After taking the photo, simply tap on the right icon that you can see right over here. Now tap on the done option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your profile picture will be changed. You can see your profile picture has been changed. So that is how you change profile picture on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.